Hey everyone, it's Kristie with AG Takes Over. I am so excited to open this package. I can already tell you what video is going to be linked at the end of this because I have previously gotten mystery packages from Silly Monkey Doll stuff, and let me tell you, Jason does not disappoint. So I filmed a while back and uploaded a video going through the very first mystery package I ever got. And then subsequently I got one for my wife for Christmas in 2022. And then I was filming a video not too long ago and I mentioned something about wanting like more neutral colors for our wellies, because everything we have for them pretty much is either glitter girls or wellie wishers, and it's all like hyper bright colors. Even when it's greens or blues or whatever, it's just very bright. And I was like, oh, does Silly Monkey Doll stuff do mystery bags for wellies? Like, I totally should reach out. So I did. Yay, follow through. And boom. He had that stuff sent out so quickly. Like, I reached out and said, hey, do you ever do these? Do you have? And he was like, let me look. Yeah, I got enough stuff to do one. So I said, all right, paid. He said, all right, I'm going to get it packed up right now. Sent it out the next day. It came in the mail today. It was just like so fast. And I'm really excited. I know some of you don't care about wellie wishers, but I'm assuming that those of you who are watching this are at least remotely interested in wellie wishers. Either that or you just really like the sound of my voice. I don't know. But let's just dig in. So there's going to be a lot of plastic sound. I apologize because everything comes in these really lovely like plastic wrap with some brown cardboard stuff. I will show you everything and then I'll go make some outfits and put some things on one of the wellie wishers. I am sorry to say these are most likely going to go, a lot of them, to my daughter. She has more wellies, but I'm also not sorry because she's getting like hyper pink stuff everywhere in her life right now. So this is a welcome, just a little bit of a chill out for the palette. So, oh, these are so cute. Oh, one thing I want to mention. I did send a message saying when it comes to the bottoms, pants or shorts would be preferred over skirts. And that was not because I'm anti-skirt. It's just because that's predominantly what we have for them is skirts and dresses. And I wanted to mix it up. Also, we just got Bryant, and I was hoping that maybe something that came in this package will be neutral enough that like Bryant will be able to have something other than his meat outfit. Seriously, American Girl, you made this guy over a year ago. He has not a stitch of clothing. Why do you do this? Why do you do this? The little 8-inch dolls deserve clothes. Bryant deserves clothes. Don't make these dolls and then not give them any clothes. Anyway, I'll step off my soapbox and get to this. So, oh, the first one is, let me just open them because otherwise you're going to get the glare. So, do it as quickly as I can. There we go. Okay, so looking at the next pair, it looks like these are probably capris. They're so cute. See, look, very welly. They're totally into their gardening and their flowers. It's just not, you know, nothing wrong with the whimsical color palette of the wellies. I really don't mind it. I just wanted to mix it up. Like with these. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. What started this, what prompted this was I did a video not too long ago reacting to your doll collections. I did a community post and I said, hey, send me pictures of your dolls. I'll make a video reacting to all of them. And somebody in one of their pictures had a wellie kind of in the front of a bunch of 18-inch dolls, and she was wearing something very neutral, very this style. And I was like, oh, I love it. Such a breath of fresh air. These are cute. All right. This has Bryant potential. I mean, he does not get to lay claim to any of the clothes, but they'll share. Okay. Nice. It's like a linen. I don't know how this is going to show up, and I kind of need to see it this way. It's kind of mauve, or like it's like a light brick red, but it doesn't read like pink. I don't know. These could potentially work. I mean, they'll work for all of the dolls, but potentially Bryant might want to borrow them. We might let him. Poor dude. No clothes. Oh, these are cute. We don't have any shorts for the Wellies. Look at that. They're so simple. They're so simple. I think that all of the Silly Monkey doll stuff clothing that we get is like, it's not about so much detail. It's about high quality, simple pieces with a neutral palette. And you don't get neutrals enough from American Girl. And when you do these mystery bags, ooh, okay, Bryant's got some shorts. They'll share, but Bryant's got some shorts. Look at that. Yay. I do need to get him like some pants of these, just so, you know, he's freezing right now. I don't know what I was saying. Neutrals, yay. Oh, no, I know what I was saying. Sorry. This next one's really cute. The price. So I would have to do the math to compare what it would cost to buy like 10 items from there and go, well, what's the average of a dress and a romper and a pair of pants and shorts and a top and whatnot. But this, when you do this mystery thing, ends up being 10 pieces for $50. Yeah. Not a problem. Like $5 a piece. It's a really good deal, and there are a few companies that I like consistently enough to say, yeah, pick whatever. Pick, 10 items from your shop, and I feel like it'll be a safe bet. They might have like 3 or 4 things that I really love, but I would want to be the one to choose those because I don't like all the things. But this shop is like up my alley enough that I'm like, yeah, you pick. We'll like them. So this is now my 3rd mystery box from them, and I love it. It's so cute. It is the cutest. Little flowers, little shorts romper. Like, our 14-inch dolls don't have anything like this. Our 18-inch, yes. But now they can, like, look like they fit in a... I feel like anytime we put them in... we mix in the 14-inch dolls with the 18-inch, it's like, okay, and that one just came out of the candy shop, and the other ones were, like, in the bookstore. I don't know if that makes any sense, but in my mind it does. All right. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I want to know what kind of pets they have in their home, or he has in his home, because I'm not complaining, but there are usually a few hairs on here. It would happen in my house in a heartbeat anyway, so what do I care? Okay. So it's a long sleeve with a gathered waist just in the front. So the back is not gathered, but across the front it is. You can see. This pattern is really like the right scale for wellies. It's so small. Love it. So that was a long sleeve shirt. And then here's a short sleeve one. Again, it's gathered across the front. It's probably the same pattern, just whether you make it long sleeve or short sleeve. This is really nice because the wellies are all about nature, and there's like, so many patterns in here are neutral but flowers, or neutral but whatever. Oh, stop it. It's so cute. Okay, hold on. Plastic's coming. Oh gosh. I adore this. I can't wait. I don't even know which one to dress first. Oh my gosh. Our little daughter is going to be so excited. I mean, she is definitely in her pink era, so she might not be as pumped about this as I am. Two queer moms trying to expose her to every, you know, adventure and whatever. She just wants to be a princess. It's fine. Totally fine. Okay, this is my favorite. It's squirrels. It's so perfect for them. Like, this is my dream of what the Wellies would have, because it's still nature, it's still gardening, it's still flowers, it's still cute little animals. It's just a little bit toned down, because sometimes it's like a little overstimulating for me. I know bright colors are important to children, more so babies, but like to people. But look at this. You can't argue with this. You can't argue with this. Okay, I'm going to have to dig through our other stuff and see, like, for example, I got to find something that this can go with. I guess. I mean, yeah. Okay, I might be able to put together outfits just from this. If not, I'll dip into the Wellie tote and see what I can make. So I'm going to get them all dressed and do some pictures and let you see their little fashion show. I'm probably not going to say anything. I'm just going to do a little slideshow. You can pause if you want to see them for any length of time, but they'll just be up on the screen for like 5 seconds, and then I'll come back on at the end. There they are. They're so cute. All right, thank you, Silly Monkey Doll Stuff. It is always worth the money, and oh, by the way, I have a friend who was watching this video. We hang out like in real life, and she got her first Silly Monkey Doll Stuff mystery box after watching the video and like becoming obsessed, and she was thrilled too. So yeah, definitely, if you like the aesthetic of that shop, then the mystery box is the way to go as far as I'm concerned. All right, anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are doing well and doing something today to enjoy your dolls. Hope you are having a good mental health day, and that you subscribe if you want to see more content. And yeah, and that you come back for my next video, which will be within a week. It always is. All right, take care. Bye.